Everybody, thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder that the 10th and 11th books in the Biblical Bible series is now available, 2 Samuel and 1 Kings. Definitely take advantage. And again, all digital downloads are now $17.99, and they'll stay that way. But also, definitely take advantage of the lifetime downloads sale while it's available, and it's available until Monday. So everybody who's receiving free links now, you guys, links will end December 31st. So now you have a chance to actually take care of that. So, once the time ends, you won't have to ever worry about digital downloads. You'll receive digital downloads for life with the lifetime membership. So everybody who has it, who takes advantage of this, won't have to worry about digital downloads again once the year ends, once 2019 ends. So take advantage of that. As well, tomorrow we'll be receiving the remainder of our books. And the problems has been corrected. It was a lot of issues with the books, a lot of problems. And this stuff happens. It's part of the process. And it's a learning process for me, understanding what takes place for the next two books that's coming out in December. So I really understand, the process a lot more now. And we won't have this time lapse again. But, we'll have the books tomorrow, and we'll process and ship them out to you guys. And again, for anybody who takes part in the lifetime digital downloads, you guys will receive a book, as well as everybody who's asking about where can they get books. The books is going to be very hard to get. We're not going to have that many left once they go out for sale. I expect them to sell out probably in a couple of days based upon demand. So you guys will have a chance now to go ahead and reserve your books. And I really recommend that you do reserve them. But keep in mind that there are a couple thousand people who are waiting on books right now. So once those books are shipped out to those guys, you guys will start receiving your books. But it will be smart to reserve it now, because once I put it up, which it will go up about a week after these books ship, they're probably going to go. They're going to sell out fast. So definitely take a chance now. We can only hold 300 reserve spots. That's it. So once the 300 spots are filled, trust me, this is going to be gone by Monday. The link will not work on Monday. They'll probably reserve, I suspect, after today or tomorrow once people see this video. But the link is in the description. Definitely take advantage and reserve it. If you, as I said, if you do take advantage of the lifetime digital downloads, you will automatically reserve your book. It'll be taken care of. You won't have to order a book. If you have already ordered the book and you want to take part in the lifetime digital downloads, you will receive the next book free, included with your purchase. So definitely take advantage of this sale. And one of the reasons why we're doing this now is because we're getting ready to make a big shift with Merkabah Academy. You'll see another huge change in the website, and we're starting to incorporate the lessons, the curriculum into Merkabah Academy, and really get people on board with the conscious courses. There's a lot that's going to be coming to it. But basically, as I said, it's going to be very much like Khan Academy. And if you guys are familiar with Khan Academy, it's not accredited. Khan Academy is not, an accredited academy, which is why it's an academy. To be accredited, it'll usually have the name like university attached to it. But Khan Academy is proven, and it's one of those things where you have the people that's proving your product. And Khan Academy, they teach real math, and that's one of the issues why it's not accredited, because they teach math the correct way. They teach math the right way. They teach math that's going to really take your kid from point A to Z faster than kids in regular schools. I've been using it for years, actually, since it booted up. But Khan Academy is a good place to go for math and to learn math correctly and a bunch of other things correctly, the fast way, and not the dumbed down way they teach our kids in school. So it's one of the reasons why it doesn't have an accreditation. As well, with anybody that's teaching African American studies, you'll go through the European way or the white man's way to learn about African history. And who are these people to tell us about our history? So you have to have PhDs in these fields and so on and so forth to get accreditation to be able to accredit your courses or anything you want to teach as far as African history, where it should be as what's proven or what's accepted by the people, or what you can put forward as fact should be accepted. Now I have degrees, PhD as well in computer science, so this one of these things will help. I'm not pushing for accreditation for Merkabah Academy. I really want it to be like Khan Academy, to where it's proven and it speaks for itself. and people can go there and really get course information structured correctly, put the right way, and a learning atmosphere, teaching atmosphere that's similar to school. So this is what it's going to be, and you'll see the platform shift on Merkabah Academy, and a lot more things will be opened up. A lot of the bugs will be fixed. As I said, we're still working on the site. And again, one of the reasons why we're doing this sale now is to help with our servers. With server costs is ridiculous. We're talking about almost $1 million for this equipment, and this stuff costs a lot of money to upkeep. So this is one of the reasons for the sale, and I appreciate everybody that supports and help us out with the whole process. But we're still pushing forward regardless. This will happen. All of the red tape and paperwork stuff is out the way. What we need to do to move forward and take the next steps. And I laid out this program, this whole platform a while back about how it's going to happen and how you'll have courses. And just like when you're online, you can see the people on the timeline. When you're taking a class, you'll be able to see everybody that's taking that class with you. You'll be able to communicate with these people that's taking the course. It'd be like being in school, So it's really going to be huge. It's nothing like it. That's African American history and our real accomplishments and everything esoteric as well. I mean, a lot occult esoteric studies, a lot of stuff that needs to be put out there for people to understand and learn moving forward with consciousness. So this is something that a lot of people have asked about, and people have been looking for stuff like this. And it's been a lot of research that we've done on this whole process before we dug into it, and this is what people want. It's overwhelming the amount of people now that is jumping into this type of information. As I said, digital downloads is going through the roof. So many people are coming to the channel and coming to Merkabah Academy, and a lot of people have questions, and there's a lot of people that really want to get past the dogma and past the bullshit of religion and really get into real information and spirituality. And if you pay attention to the powers that be, it seems like they're moving towards that direction when you understand esoterically what they have been doing. And the fact that they put out everything, as I said, universal law, they have to tell you what they're doing. So there's a big push for this, and I definitely want to be one of the first people to jump in on this push, because if you pay attention to hip hop music, they're moving towards that way, and lyrics are getting more esoteric, and they're leaking out more and more, hidden information in their music, and everything is going towards this. If you're a forecaster, if you're a person that follows the trends and forecasting of trends, it's something it's one of my hobbies. I pay attention. I pride myself on being in the know esoterically, and I can see what's coming, and I can see what they're trying to do. So this will definitely be something that's going to be at the front of this movement that's coming, and it's going to help a lot of people out. Now, also, one of the things I want to do is give you guys the opportunity to teach, to basically explain what you know. There's a lot of people out there that have information, they have knowledge. They may not necessarily have a PhD or degree in that field, but there are people who have skills and know how to do certain things. So we want to designate people with teacher pages, so you'll be able to showcase what you know and teach people. So people can go to your channel or go to your page and see what you teach and click on those links and basically take those courses, and you'll be able to upload course curriculum and videos. I mean, basically like YouTube, where anybody can upload a video. You guys will be able to upload your teaching videos and be able to teach courses and have live courses and real-time courses to teach people. And you'll be able to see the people who's taking your courses and so on and so forth. So we want to add this whole thing to the whole site and give people the opportunity to teach it and put their information out there. And there's a lot of people who are willing to share, as we see with YouTube, but a lot of that information gets clouded on YouTube by, you look right next to you, it's a new Drake video, new Meek Mill video. A lot of people's attention is taken away from the actual learning, and they tend to click off of it. So I want to definitely leave that a spot open for that, for people to come in and be able to share what they want to share and teach what they want to teach, and basically get feedback from people taking their classes, and get enough information out there to get people excited about coming to the site. And this is one of the ways we can do that. And there's a lot of information out there. A lot of people want to give, and a lot of people want to teach. A lot of people want a platform where they can do that, where it's official, not in the sense where it's accredited, but where it's official, where people actually come in there to learn, versus something like YouTube, where people come in there to learn and, you know, to be entertained. I want to thank everybody that has been using Merkabah Academy and that has been, you know, participating in the timeline. And as I said, it's still in development. A lot more is coming to the site. We got the YouTube off the ground, so you can go there and check that stuff out. All of the digital downloads that, you know, you guys got digital downloads with your purchase, that will be on the site soon. That's all coming. We're getting all that together now, so we can put it on there just like the YouTube section is. And then you guys, instead of having to download all the videos, you'll be able to always go on Merkabah Academy and just watch those videos, and they'll be right there available for you. And we'll have it to where you guys can download them as well from that site. But we're working on that now, and working on getting more power to the site, making it quicker and faster. That's when we need servers. And it's a lot, you know, it's a lot going on with the whole thing. It's a process with this whole thing, and you know, as you can imagine, especially when you don't have, you know, CIA backing you up, billions of dollars and all that. So we ain't got that like Zuckerberg do. So yeah, but it's a lot coming. A lot of changes you guys will see, but it's for the better. And as I said, the overall picture, once it's done, because it's bigger than just Merkabah Academy and the schools, it's a lot more coming. When it's all put together, I mean, it's going to be amazing. I can't wait. You know, it's a lot to have going on. So I definitely want to thank you guys for your support and everything you have been doing to make the site work and make it good and participating in there. And a lot of people is on there. I really like seeing so many people using the site, and there's gonna be a lot more to do there coming soon. So appreciate the support, and see you guys next video.